This is Professor Geeta, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government Science College Autonomous Bangalore 1. My mail ID is infogeet@gmail.com. In the today's video, I am going to explain to you how to solve a nonlinear partial differential equation of the form f of pq z is equal to 0, where P is nothing but dou z by dou x and Q is equal to dou z by dou y. First, let us see how to solve this, the manual part. In this now, we'll assume the solution is of the form z is equal to f of u, where u is equal to x plus ay. Then P will be equal to dou z by dou x. Since z is a function of single variable u, we can write it as dz by du into dou u by dou x. So here dou u by dou x is nothing but 1. So I can write here P is equal to dz by du, and Q will be dou z by dou y, that can be written as dz by du into dou u by dou y. So dz by du, dou u by dou y from this will be equal to a. So from this we notice that P is nothing but dz by du and Q is a dz by du. Let us substitute these two values in the given equation, that is in the equation pqz is equal to 0. Then we will get f of dz by du, a dz by du comma z is equal to 0. This will represent a linear differential equation which can be solved by any one of the known methods, that is either by separation of variables or by linear differential equation. Any method we can apply. Once we get the solution of this, the solution will be z is a function of u. So in this solution, replace u by x plus ay to get the required solution. So let us take one problem based on this now. Solve p plus q plus z is equal to 0. So here it is a function of p, q and z. So let us take here z is equal to f of u, where u is equal to x plus ay. So we have to substitute here p is equal to dz by du and q will be a dz by du. So let us substitute these two in the given equation. Then it will become dz by du plus a dz by du plus z is equal to 0. So in these two terms, I can remove dz by du common factor. Then I'll get a plus 1 plus z is equal to 0. So separate the variables here. Then it will become dz by z is equal to minus du by a plus 1. So when we integrate this, the integration of 1 by z is equal to log z. So log z is equal to minus integration of du is u by a plus 1 plus c. So convert this logarithmic form to exponential form. We'll get z is equal to e to the power of c, that is nothing but c1, into e to the power of minus u by a plus 1. So now replace u by x plus ay to get the required solution. Therefore the solution here is z is equal to c1 e to the power of minus x plus ay by a plus 1 is the solution. So now let us take the maxima program of this now. So here in the maxima, first we have to start with the kill all command. So kill all will cancel all the previous terms that are present, that is any equation, numbers, any parameters that is present there. So start from kill all, and I call the given equation as eqn. The given equation is nothing but z plus p plus q is equal to 0. In this now, I should substitute p as dz by du and q as a dz by du. For substitution, the command is subst. And now since I am substituting for two terms, I should enclose those two within a square bracket. I am calling this by a username E. You can call it by any name here. So E colon subst of P dz by du. I am not doing differentiation here, just I am writing it as dz by du. whenever I am not doing any operation, I should give a backslash here. So slash diff of z comma u. This is a command for differentiation. And one more term that I am substituting here, q is equal to a into backslash diff of z comma u, close the square bracket. I am substituting these two in the previous term. I call the previous term as eqn. So now I should find the value of dz by du from this now. To find the value of that, I should give a solve command. So solve E, that is a previous equation, for difference dz by du, that is diff of z comma u. I am calling that as h. So now I will get the output of this in the form of an array. So I should take the term outside the array, and now this will be a differential equation. To solve a differential equation, the command that we are going to use is ODE2. So in the ODE2, inside that bracket, there are three parameters. The first term will be the equation which is supposed to be solved. The second term will be the dependent variable. The third term will be the independent variable. So now I'll write here ODE2 of h of 1, comma, z, comma, u. So because this is the equation and z will be the dependent variable here for me and u is the independent variable. So in this now, the next term here, next step will be, I should substitute u is equal to x plus ay. So now SUBST of u is equal to x plus ay, comma, percentage. This percentage will represent the previous step. So now I am calling this as S. So print the solution is S. So now to execute this, we'll use either shift enter button or the numerical enter. So I'll get the output. Observe here, the given equation eqn is z plus p plus q is equal to 0. The output of the h, that is h is, I already told you, the output will be in the form of an array. I am getting it in the square bracket. So if suppose the two terms are there, you should see which term I should take. I am having only one term, so I took it as h of 1 here. So print solution is z is equal to c. Percentage C is again a constant here, and E will be given as percentage E for minus ay plus x by a plus 1. So this will be the solution of the given equation. So let me take another problem here. Solve p into 1 plus q minus qz is equal to 0. So given, this is a given expression. So let z is equal to f of u, where u is equal to x plus ay. So now I should replace p by dz by du and q by a dz by du. So let us substitute this equation 2 in equation 1. Then I'll get dz by du into 1 plus a dz by du minus q is nothing but a dz by du into z is equal to 0. So in these two terms, I can remove dz by du common factor. Then the leftover term here is 1 plus a dz by du minus az is equal to 0. So either this must be equal to 0 or this term must be equal to 0. If dz by du is equal to 0, then z will become a constant which cannot be a solution. Therefore, 1 plus a dz by du minus az is equal to 0. So, now from this I should find the value of dz by du. Then it will become a dz by du will become az minus 1. So, dz by du will become az minus 1 by a. So, now let me separate the variables here. When I separate the variables, it will become a dz by az minus 1 is equal to du. So now when I integrate this part, the integration of this can be written as log az minus 1 is equal to the integration of du is u plus c. So az is equal to, convert this logarithmic form to exponential form. Az is equal to c1 e to the power of u plus 1. c1 is nothing but e to the power of c. Or I can write from this now, z is equal to c1e, u has to be replaced by x plus ay plus 1 by a. This will become the required solution. Let us consider the maxima program of this now. If I take the maxima program of this now, kilon is EQN P into 1 plus Q minus QZ is equal to 0. So now again here substitute P into DIFF of Z comma U, Q into A into DIFF of Z comma U in the equation. Already I have explained in the previous problem all the commands. So only thing is I have changed the first equation here, and now see the output of this now. In the solve I am having two terms. So this is not required for me. So again I am taking here dz by du into az minus 1. This is the first term of this h. So I took ODE2 of h of 1. So when I execute this, I am getting the output in this manner. So both the outputs are one and the same. So we will take one more problem of this now. Solve z is equal to pq. So z is equal to f of u, where u is x plus ay and p is dz by du and q is a dz by du. So when you notice here, I am getting z minus dz by du into a dz by du is equal to 0. So z minus a dz by du whole square is equal to 0. So dz by du can be written as plus or minus square root of z by a. So separating the variables, I'll get it as dz by root z is equal to du by root a. I'll transfer root a also to the other side, and integration of 1 by root z is 2 root z. I'll write even root a here is equal to u plus c. So replace u by x plus ay plus c will become the solution. So let us take the maxima program of this now. The maxima program here will become, again here I am replacing equation by pq minus z. The remaining part will be same. But observe now, when I take a solve command here, when I execute, I am getting two terms. First term will be always a negative term. The second term will become a positive term. So that's why I have taken here ODE2 of h of 2, means I want the second term. If you take h of 1 here, I'll get minus this, only that will be the sign change there. So like this, you can solve any differential equation of the form PQZ is equal to 0. So in the next video, I'll tell about how to solve a function of px on one side and qy on the other side. Thank you.